So I'm on a strange Discord server where there's one person that's been typing forever, but it made me realize that I haven't taught you how to have this person is typing thing on forever. So just before we get started, I do want to make it very clear that this does break Discord's terms of service. So if you're going to be a little bit of a prankster, know that you do have a risk of terminating your Discord account. Please don't cry in my DMs if you decide to exploit this and somehow get yourself banned. So first, to follow the tutorial and the learning session that you're forced to do, go to Discord on your browser and press F12 on your keyboard, and it should pop up with your console, and we want to go to our network tab. Then when you're in your network tab, make sure it's recording with this big red button, and you want to start just jamming on your keyboard as if you're talking to one of your friends that don't exist. When that happens, you should see this little typing event here, and when I click on it and expand it out, this is what's being sent to Discord whenever you type. It's basically your Discord client sending a message to Discord servers saying, I am typing in this specific channel ID. Now, what if there was a way where we could send Discord servers this message saying, hey, I'm typing right now, but we do it over and over and over again? Well, that's what I'm going to teach you. First off, you're going to want to go to the first link in the description. It's going to be Insomnia. Now, we're using Insomnia because it just makes it really easy for you not to get scammed or this video getting taken out of context. So once you download Insomnia, you need to open that bad boy up, and we need to click on this plus button here and click on HTTP request. I kind of alluded to it earlier, but an HTTP request is basically like sending a message to Discord servers through an API. I'm not going to get too nerdy on you, but we want to change this from get to post. And then in this URL bar here, we need to put in the following: https://discord.com/api/v9/channels/channel ID/typing. Now we need to do a couple more things to get this working. Go back to your Discord web clients where I showed you how to do this thing. Remember, this was important. If you didn't follow my steps, you weren't listening to me, and now I'm very upset. But once you have this little pop-up here, we want to scroll down and we need to go to the request headers section, and we have this authorization header here. I'm going to expand it out a little bit so it's easier to read, but this authorization thing is your Discord token, which is very dangerous. Do not send this to anyone under any circumstances. If I had your Discord token, I can log into your account and I could send, your friends some weird stuff to make you a loser and a loner if you have friends. But I can also use your Discord token to spam every single one of your friends with the scam, which might get your Discord account banned. If you ever make the mistake of sending someone your Discord token, change your password and your token will change. That's why my token isn't blurred, because I'm going to change my password right after this video. But you want to copy this token, so just select it, then Control C, normal keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Mac, you're using whatever shortcuts there are. Macs don't exist. Go back to Insomnia, and we need to click on headers, then click on the name field here. Then you might need to click again on header. It's just some weird Insomnia thing, and you want to type in authorization, and make sure you spell it correctly. There'll be a little drop-down menu you can click on if you just want to be extra safe. Then you want to paste in for the value your token. So this is my token here. It's in the authorization header name. Then we are almost done. All you need to do is go back to your Discord app. We can close our little console here, and we need to go to our user settings. Then we need to scroll down and go to advanced. Once we go to advanced, we need to enable developer mode. This is very important because we need a channel ID. Once developer mode is enabled, you can go to any channel that you want. I'm going to do this one here. If you keep typing, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to right click the channel and click copy channel ID. Then I'm going to go back to Insomnia, and remember this all caps channel ID. We want to replace that with the channel ID just by pasting it in. And once you're done, just click on send, and you should see 204 no content, which means you did it. You did what? It's kind of hard to see what's going on. Move the screen around, gosh darn it. So what happens when you press send is that you will be shown as, look, it's you typing, even though I'm not doing anything. I just clicked on send. But if it doesn't work, make sure you have the correct channel ID. Now you don't have to do it just in channels. You can do this in group DMs and also in DMs as well. I'm going to right click on this no text-to-speech loser guy, copy channel ID, and back in Insomnia, I'm going to replace the old channel ID, paste it with the new one. Remember, the channel ID is very important. If you don't pick the right one, then this message you're sending to Discord, it'll say you're typing in a different channel. But now that that's changed and I click on send again, it'll show that I am typing in a DM. But if I wait a couple of seconds, 10 seconds to be exact, it will not show me typing anymore. It'll just stop, which is obviously not what we want. We want this to be infinite and go on over and over again. So we need to go into Insomnia. We need to click on this little drop down here and click on repeat on interval. When you click on that, it's going to ask, what interval seconds do you want? Just enter in 8 seconds, then click on start. And now if I move this over to the right and I give it a couple seconds just to boot up, there we go. You'll see that Amon is typing, and this will constantly send that typing message to Discord servers every 8 seconds, and that'll make it where you are infinitely typing over and over and over and over again. Now, if you want to stop typing, it's really easy. Just go back into Insomnia and click on the cancel button. It's that easy. Of course, like I said at the beginning, make sure you use this at your own risk. Don't spam this for like 10 years straight, or else Discord might get a little cranky and disable your account. So please don't come crying to me when you just spam this for like 10 years and you get banned, okay? Anyways, that's all I got, Chief. Have a good one. Love you tons and tons, and make sure not to annoy your friends where you have no more friends. That's what happened to me, and now I'm a lonely loser. Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah!